Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix a WhatsApp verification code not sending or not received. So guys, when you log in your WhatsApp and WhatsApp team will send you a verification code to your phone number and your verification code is still not received, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, simply you need to open your settings in your phone, and guys, after this you need to scroll down and here is the option of app management. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and after this click on app list, and guys, from here you need to find WhatsApp. And guys, after finding WhatsApp, here you can see simply you need to click on WhatsApp, and after this click on storage and cache, and simply you need to click on clear cache and clear storage as well. And guys, after clearing both you need to go back, and guys, the second method is you need to update your WhatsApp. So maybe this problem is occur due to older version of WhatsApp. So guys, you need to update to latest version. So guys, how can you update? So guys, simply you need to open your Play Store, and guys, here you need to search WhatsApp. And guys, after searching you need to click on WhatsApp, and here is the option of update you can see here. So guys, you need to update your WhatsApp from here, and after updating your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem and facing and verification code is still not received, then guys you need to open your settings again, and guys, after you need to scroll down, click on system, and click on date and time, and here is the option of use locate default. So make sure that it is on. So guys, if it is off, then you need to on it. And the second is set as the time zone automatically, and guys, if it is off, then you need to on this as well. And guys, after doing this you need to go back, and guys, if still not received your code, then guys you need to restart your phone. So guys, simply you need to click and hold on power button, and guys you can see here restart. So guys, simply you need to restart your phone, and after restarting your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to get your verification code on your phone number easily. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.